I'm shook. What's up, people? It's Kris. Welcome back to the channel. We're just gonna hop right into it. Today I'm gonna be trying out this Revlon one-step, what is it called? It's right here. The Revlon one-step hair dryer and styler brush. This has been around for years and I'm just now getting around to ordering it. I've been side-eyeing it and I finally got it off of Amazon. Got it during Prime Day last week, so it ended up coming to like, I don't know, I got 2 items and it was $30-something. So saved a little bit on it and I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and get this. Felt like it was the perfect time, so here we are. I haven't unboxed it yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the box. Okay, so here's the brush. And the settings are off, cool, low, and high. Those are the only settings. I've heard great things about this, so I'm excited to see what it does for my hair. Some of the features real quick, it says it has a large paddle design, dries and smooths hair quickly. Detangling bristles helps dry and style hair in up to half the time. It says it's lightweight and then it has the multiple heat settings that I just mentioned. So we're just gonna get into it. No need to drag this on. I'm excited to see exactly just how straight it's gonna get my hair. I'm hoping it'll, number 1, speed up the blow drying process, and then number 2, give me a nice blowout. I already applied a little bit of leave-in, by the way, so my hair is freshly shampooed and conditioned, and I applied this Briogeo Strength and Moisture leave-in mask. So that is what I already have on, just a little bit. And then in each section, I'm gonna apply this Silk Infusion as like my heat protectant situation. So yeah, let's just get into it. I'm just gonna go ahead and say I have never gotten my hair this smooth and straight this quickly from any other blow drying method, like ever. I'm very happy about this. I mean, it is so straight. Y'all, I'm just so incredibly happy. This is bomb. That's it. It's bomb. It's so straight and flat. I'm just shook. I'm shook. Okay, so I think it's safe to say I'm beyond pleased, very happy with the results. I'm shook. I feel like I needed this as a little girl growing up. Mom, you needed this. It would have made life so much easier. Definitely cut down on the drying time. It literally only took me like 10 minutes to do my entire head. Now, obviously, if you have longer hair or if it's thicker, it will take you longer. But for me, definitely reduced the drying time. I did use the high setting, so I do want to mention that. If you're trying to stay away from heat, then this obviously would not be for you, but this is perfect for when I need a quick blowout, when I want a flat blowout. My hair is so smooth and soft to the touch, and I just can't wait to flat iron because I feel like my flat iron results are going to come out better now that my blowout is just so, I mean, it's just so flat and it feels very smooth. So I'm so happy to have this. Best $30 I ever spent, potentially. I'll link it down below if you just want to check it out, read up on it, read some reviews. So at this point, I don't know if I want to go ahead and flat iron or do a style on stretched hair. I'm thinking a style on stretched hair. I'm going to try to hold off until November to flat iron my hair, but definitely wanted to film and share this with you guys. I know this product has been around for a little minute, but I'm just now trying it and I really like it. Revlon, you did that. You really did. Let me know down in the comments if you have tried this brush. Are you interested in it? Should I flat iron my hair or should I do a stretch style? Let me know. Let's talk down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. I upload every Wednesday and Sunday, so make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Wow. She's growing.